All right, we are live. Hey, everybody. Thank you guys so much for being here. My name is Cheryl Coco, Vice President of Marketing, and today we have our founder, Mr. Justin Bellobaba. And I'm going to introduce him in just a second. I want you guys to make sure that you're sharing this video, tagging everybody that you know, making sure that everybody gets an opportunity to view here with us, whether you're live or on the recording. Make sure that you're saying your name. We want to hear from you guys. This is huge news. It's a huge announcement, and we're excited to bring it to you. So with that being said, over to you, Justin.
Thank you, Cheryl. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I am going to bring you up to speed on a very, very important new development. So if you haven't heard the news, yesterday, Google announced that they will be phasing out nearby notifications on December 6th of this year, so about 40 days from now. I have no doubt that this will catch the beacon proximity marketing industry by surprise. I also have no doubt that this will cause a lot of companies a lot of problems, and I expect that many companies will simply go out of business. But I am pleased to tell you that Royaltie will not be affected. As I will explain to you now, we will be stronger than ever. Anyone who knows me well or has worked closely with me knows that I have long suspected that Google might eventually phase out nearby notifications. Google has a long history and a reputation for ending popular projects and platforms virtually overnight. Earlier this month, for example, they shut down the social network called Google Plus because of a data breach, and they just made the decision to shut it down, and they did so very, very quickly without warning. Since I started this company and launched it in January 2017, I've been aware of the possibility that Google could turn off nearby notifications. Because this has been on my mind for coming up on 2 years, our team has carefully planned and prepared for this day. Now that the announcement has happened, all of our hard work that we've been doing quietly will pay off in the form of a better, more valuable product that our competitors simply won't be able to touch. I've said this countless times, and anyone who's tuned in for our Facebook Lives can attest to this, but I'm going to say it one more time. We are the only real software company in this industry. And it's because of that, it's absolutely because of our commitment to investing in technology that has made all of our current success possible and will make all of our future success also possible. So what are we doing? Let's get to it. I'm excited. Let's start though with the basic concept of how notifications work today. I'm sure many of you know this, but just to refresh everyone's memory, we provide our customers with a Bluetooth enabled beacon. We call it a gem. Twice per second, the beacon will broadcast a specific string of letters and numbers. Think of it as a code that is unique to each individual beacon. What we've done is we have registered every beacon, that unique code, on Google's nearby platform. So when an Android phone comes within range of a beacon, the phone will pick up the unique code from that beacon. It will then ping Google servers, and Google would tell the phone what 40-character message and link to display. That's how it works right now, okay? As I said, in December, Google will no longer show notifications when the beacon's unique code hits an Android phone. So what are we going to do instead? While the implementation of the concept that I'm going to describe to you, the implementation from a tech standpoint is pretty complicated, the actual idea itself is pretty simple. Instead of just registering our beacons on the Google Nearby platform, we are also going to be registering our beacons on other platforms. To be specific, we have already started and will continue to register all of our beacons on literally millions of popular apps and websites. To be clear, and this is important because I don't want there to be.
Oh, I think we lost Justin here for a second. Hold on. Here he comes. Coming back. Got your back, Justin. Go ahead.
I'm not sure where you lost me.
To be clear.
Okay, perfect.
Gotcha.
Now we got a little suspense built up. To be clear, and I don't want there to be any rumors about this, okay? We will not be building and deploying a consumer app of any kind, okay? In my view, that would be a terrible idea. You would need to convince billions of total strangers to download an app that will send them ads. I'm sure you agree that's never going to work. So we're definitely not doing that. Instead, we are going to register all of our beacons, 150,000 beacons, all of your beacons, on millions of websites and apps that are already used by billions of people every day. Here's how it works. First of all, this is important. There is no need to change beacons. Your gems will continue to work perfectly. In fact, to celebrate the launch of this new network, we are going to be introducing a couple of new gem models in the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned for that. So the beacon that you have right now will continue to broadcast as it always has, okay? But now, or in December when we roll this out, instead of the beacon causing your message to appear on an Android's like pull down notification screen, in December, your beacon will trigger a high quality ad that you produce to be displayed on the apps and websites of the phones around you. Okay, and this is really cool. This is not just Android phones anymore, okay? Tablets, laptops, and yes, of course, iPhone. Your beacon that you already own will trigger high quality ads on any device around you. You won't be limited to a 40-character message. Your message can be as long as you want, and you'll be able to embed high def images as well. So imagine you're, for example, sitting in a food court at the mall. Your beacon is broadcasting and it's triggering ads on devices all around you. Someone maybe sees your high quality ad in their Facebook feed on their iPhone. Someone else sees your ad in their Twitter feed on their tablet, or someone is on their laptop reading an article on CNN and they see your ad, all triggered by your beacon to the people who are in close proximity to you. I hope you see that what we're talking about is taking proximity marketing to a whole new level. I have so much more to share. I mentioned new beacon models, new high quality ad formats, new landing pages on desktop, but I don't want to overwhelm you all with too much information today. I want you to know that we were ready and very well prepared for this announcement. And now that it's happened, we wanted to get in front of you as quickly as possible to tell you how excited we are to now finally be able to roll out the Royaltie notification network over the next few weeks. So I'm going to pass it back to Cheryl, but before I do, I just wanted to say on a personal note, I want to thank each and every one of you, from our newest customers to our longest standing affiliates. I can't tell you, how much we appreciate your positivity, your enthusiasm, and your trust as we continue to build this amazing business. I hope that today's announcement proves to you once again that you made the right choice when you chose Royaltie. So with that, have a great weekend, everyone. I can't wait to share so much more information with you in the days and weeks ahead. But for now, Cheryl, back to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Justin. I can see the excitement from the comments, and everyone thinks that it's fantastic. And thank you, Justin, so much for being here. Thank you, you guys here at Royaltie. And like Justin was saying, from the oldest customer to the newest customer, we're super excited. And it's a blast working with these guys. You know, Justin always has some incredible tech and knowledge to drop on us all the time. Is always, always, always thinking of you and the future. So it's great to be a part of Royaltie. Make sure that you guys put that in the comments below, and make sure that you're sharing, and make sure that you're tagging everyone that you know. It's an exciting time, as it always is here at Royaltie. Thank you, Justin. Thank you, guys. Bye, everybody.